Climbing isn't about the thrill. It's not about adrenaline, not about speed, not about the rush. It's about devotion, hold by hold, step by step, for hours. A body under tension, a mind wide awake. No dopamine fireworks, no fleeting high, just a quiet, persistent ascent. The rock yields nothing. It tests you, it challenges you. And the climber answers, not with brute force, but with attentiveness. To progress here, you must surrender. Leave yourself behind. Be fully present in the stone, the breath, the moment. Climbing isn't a victory, it's a meeting with the wall, with the height, with yourself. Perhaps this is where the real reward lies, not in reaching the summit, but in keeping on,